So welcome to one of the junior suites here at the Intercontinental Hotel at the O2. Fantastic views out of the windows here, looking down the River Thames. So this is the entranceway into the junior suite here. As we go in, to the right, we have the bathroom. So in here, we've got the shower cubicle. Just open the door, get the reflection off. So there you go, some shelves to put your shampoos on and things like that. Nice shower cubicle. And then also around here, you've got the sides there. You've got a sink, fantastically large mirror all the way across. And then we've got a range of shampoos and shower gels and a few little bits there for you to use whilst you're here. And hand wash. And you've got a nice bathtub with a shower attachment there. You've got two dressing gowns there, provided as part of the bathroom in this junior suite. It's a real decent size bathroom. So let's go through and take a look into the living room area. But before we do that, we'll just show you this little desk area that you've got. So you've got your chair and your desk to work at, telephone, and also here's some nice little chocolates to greet us by, which is really appreciated after travelling across London to get here. Nice large mirror, so you can make sure you're looking fantastic before heading out to the O2, or if you're going to see a concert, for example. Always good to be able to see how it all looks in the mirror before you go. So, and just here we've got the TV screen, and I'm guessing what's possibly a mini bar. Let's take a quick look. So yeah, down here we got the kettle and cups, some biscuits there, along with some hot chocolate and tea and coffee. And in the right hand cupboard we got the safe up there, and then what looks like a little mini bar with some orange juice and water, and let's have a look what else there is. So we've got there some cans of soft drinks and soda, some little spirits just there. Can't see the prices just yet, but still it's good to have those there just for the convenience of it. Then coming back, taking a look across at the room, so you've got the sofa to your left, a coffee table just there, some fantastic views. Let's just have a look out the window here. So this is on like the south bank of the River Thames, looking across to Canary Wharf, with all those buildings just there. Really stunning view actually, nice sunny day. So there's the view out of the window of this junior suite here at the Intercontinental O2. At the side of the beds, let's have a look what there is. On this side, you've got the lamp there, another telephone, there's some USB sockets, light switches, and a couple of sockets as well for UK plugs. A little card there just telling you about the turn down service. Also a reading light there on the left as well. So real nice large bed there. If we just come back a little bit further, you'll be able to see it much better. And then on the right hand side, nice chair and footrest, so you can put your feet up and relax. And again on this side, a reading lamp and one socket on this side, and drawers on both sides. So real nice room, the junior suite with a bed, sitting area, real nice little bathroom there, and desk. So that is the junior suite here at the Intercontinental Hotel next to the O2 here in London. If you found this video useful, then please do like and share, and subscribe if you want to see more of them. We'll be taking you around other hotels around the UK and the occasional international one. So as I say, give us the thumbs up, make sure you follow us for more videos.